Minister wa miunda Mweru Joy Karwitha Kiugo Karia ni arikite kunywa muma na kwambiria ngugi ya gutungatira Meru. Joy uria ukinyire Meru ni akwamukirwa ni ayuthi na chore bawe ugite ageka wirane bo muma jwawe kiria Meru na kabatungatira uria kubati garu ya ngabana mutuma na ndi ni irikite kujurari na minister 10 baria bagatungata kiri cabinet yewe. Joy ni akuchirite maoni mitandaone mono na ruwa gukinya na ndege kienine gya kinorua Meru bagita maoni kurani igururya minister Mweru a minister baba bakagitirwo muritani kwa kiumia kimwe. Muthuri muri ukioringe ni akurikithia
na ndi nyuma county assembly ya Meru kwithwe kurukitenjwe Karwitha Kiugo kwa minister Mandujege Miunda Kanjua Mutuma ni umbite kujura
on appointment of the vetting of Ms. Joy Karwitha Karia, the nominated position of member of the county executive committee for the Department of Lands, Physical Planning, Urban Development, Housing and Urban and Public Works, which report was laid on the table of the Honorable Assembly today, Tuesday, the 6th day of May 2025 during the morning sitting. Will as many of our similar opinions say aye? Will as many of contrary opinions say nay? The ayes have it and the motion is passed. Can we get the next order?
Nandikenda kurikithio ntububu muthuri na arua ethwa kinyithe muma na kwa minister Mandua Miunda.
Joy Karwitha Karia, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Executive Committee Member of Lands, Physical Planning, Urban Development and Public Works in Meru County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the governor of Meru County, that I shall do justice to all, so help me God.
Akiaria ntoawe Governor Reverend Mutuma augite mwangira nandi kanjowe maminisa ni ujurite
nandi thirikari yetu ni fully formed na twirende kuritira Ameru ngugi. Ndiromba mawaziri kwambiriria narua nandi ni ngugine. Every department is very active. We team up with the county assembly members so that we can deliver development and services to our people.
Indi amana bubu agwabageta kwa mukira maritano nikenda bomba gutangugi bwega
together twina training induction course that will be planned by the COG na twin then assembly together twina kanya kauka kuita for 1 week induction course nikenda tumenya ni ate tubatire correlate as a CCM. What is your role? What are your mandate? What are the expectations by the law, by the constitution? The constitution ye can demand of you and other laws that govern this country. Ni ate tubatire correlate na assembly.
Bamudia auga Meru bakathikira siasa kagite gaka nonto morto jawe ni witi na mbere
no kuendelea kuromba ngwataniro nikenda tumba wiki ya Meru kuraya tukathikira siasa ira chiekuo siasa ikawainda ikaringwa, but don't be distracted. Myself I will not, so I will remain focused to the agenda.
Antona county assembly ya Meru mutongeria baraba ingi agwakira bakwenda na minister baba bambye gwita ngugi
na ninga bana ngwetika cabinet ye go full otonge otigeria so it's not that how to akinya itume na untorene itume na ofisine bamuraga bakara na ofisine bandenizi bakara na ofisine twetaingira ndire tukathithie to no tuya na siasa kira tuendete muno ni araka rita kogo tukathithie ata kabui tukenda rito rito ribua tukaretia ngavana wetu nyete waziri ito chiomie tukarie ngavana wetu tumuthithiri itwa tumutwathie mashinani na ete agiukaira na kuma na arua ingwete kya ngweti ofisi ikuthira twetaingira undi twambire ku
Muriuki Weru TV mutirijo kangangi.